we will be making a very cute and spooky Halloween pumpkin paper bag, or you can say it a basket. What do we need for this craft? We need an A4 size orange sheet. So then we need 2 orange rectangular papers of 10 centimeter into 4 centimeter. We need sticky glue. And then we need 2 green rectangular papers. You can use any shade of green. Then we need black marker or black sketch pen. Crayon box, you can always use crayon box for a little beautification in the pumpkin. First step, what we have to do, we have to place the sheet on our table in the landscape in the width. Not like this. No, in the width. On the table you are going to place it. First step. Second step is we are going to fold the sheet in half like we do the card folding. Like we do the card folding, the same way we are going to fold it in half. After doing the card folding, this is the opening side of the paper and this is the joining side of the paper. Now what we are going to do, we will place 3 fingers. Now place it on the top. At the beginning of the paper, place 3 fingers in the top. And then just at this point, ending point of the ring finger, we are going to fold the paper downwards. Let's fold the paper like this. One side in front and then one side in back. One side in front, one side in back, so that we will get a firm line on our sheet. Let's fold the paper like this. One time in front, one time in back, so that we will get a very firm line. One time in front, one time in back, right? It is looking like an almirah or a cupboard, you can say. Now you can see very firm one line and 2. First line and second line, right? And now we will take the bottom corners 1 and 2. We will fold the corners in a triangular shape till this line. Let's fold the corners in a triangular shape till this line. 1 in the bottom and same in the opposite side. 2. So we have 1 corner, 2 corner, 3 corner and 4 corners of our rectangular sheet. So we will be making 4 triangles in the 4 corners. The same way we have made the triangles in the bottom, same way we will be making triangles in the top. So now you have 1, 2, 3 and 4 corners, 4 triangles out of 4 corners, right? Now open the triangles. Now place your hand in the middle of the paper and with the index finger you are going to open the side. जहां से हमने fold किया था, हम उस flap को open करेंगे. Open it like this. And you will push this big triangle inside. Same on the another side. Open the flap, push this big triangle inside. And now on these triangles, you are going to apply glue. Only on the triangles, not on this side, okay? So that we will be able to join them, we will be able to paste them together. And now parents, जो हमने flap open किया था, अब हम उसको close करेंगे. We are going to close the flap. How? Let the triangle be inside and close it and paste it. So basically in the bottom we are going to paste the triangles inside and in the top we are going to paste the triangles outside. After this step, place your paper on the table like this. Now हम क्या करेंगे? अब हम क्या करेंगे? ये जो ऊपर के triangles है, the above triangles, only one flap. Okay? We will open the paper push it inside and we are going to paste it like this. Apply glue just on the one triangle and paste the another one on top of it. Same way, apply glue only on the outer side one, paste the another one on top of it. So this is how your bag will be ready. But it's not ready yet because we can still see the gap in the sides. So what we are going to do, we have orange rectangular papers with us. Simply fold the orange rectangular paper in half. Fold the orange rectangular paper in half and paste both rectangular paper on the sides like this, so that your paper bag will not open. 1 and 2. This is how we are going to apply glue all over the rectangular paper. Okay? And then we have to paste it in the sides, so that the open gap which is there in our pumpkin shape, pumpkin paper bag, it will be fixed. And now we will use our black marker for the smile, for making the smile, nose and eyes. You can make your pumpkin as spooky as you want to. आप जैसे मर्जी चाहें आप eyes बना सकते हैं pumpkin की. Totally depends on you. If you want to make the proper triangular shape, you can make it. Then fill them up using a black crayon, or you can simply use a black marker. So I am going to use a black crayon for filling up the eyes, nose and mouth. Then for making the nose, you have to make a triangle again. Again, you can use your black crayon for filling it up. It's looking very cute instead of spooky. Now you can make a big curve in the bottom. Then it's your wish how many teeth you want to make of the pumpkin. If you want to make 3, you can make 3. If you want to make 5, you can make 5 teeth. Let's fill it up using a black crayon or a black marker. And this is how we are going to make our spooky pumpkin. Let's give it a little shading with red or orange crayon. You can make something extra, something different. It's your imagination. You just have to hold the paper like this and fold it downwards for making the handle. And paste it from the inside. Trick or treat!